Alright, so here we are back on the swale. We've just done a few things after having planted the trees yesterday, which I showed you before. So here we have the Lucina leucocephala planted, and I just wanted to show you how we will be watering it. You see this irrigation tube? It's old, we cut it up, we put some cuts in it as well, and it goes about the same length down as you see here above the ground. And we'll be able to put a little irrigation line inside, which means that we'll be watering the roots of this tree at like 15-20 centimeters underneath the ground, which helps with actually getting the tree established and to not lose so much water to evaporation. So yeah, let's move forward a little bit. We also took some topsoil from this mound and we spread it around, and it has a lot of seeds already, as you can see. Like, I'll walk over to the mound for a moment. All of these little seeds have just come up from whatever is here. You can see over there as well. So that's also going to come up. But we also put our own seed mix. This is what I would call Elana's seed mix. It has veg and different kinds of grain and different beans, fodder bean and a few others. And you can see those seeds over there. And I've coated them with the mycorrhizal fungi mix and the nitrogen fixing bacteria mix. So basically these seeds have all the nutrients with them to start. Like a seed basically is a little package full of nutrients that is ready to sprout and energy. But they don't have, of course, the bacteria that are possibly needed to bind nitrogen. They will need to find that in the soil. And the mycorrhizal fungi also don't necessarily exist on this mound because it's mostly subsoil. So yeah, I am going to, or we are going to, me and Greg are going to cover this with straw in a moment. So we have underneath here, we have subsoil. Then we added this topsoil mix that we got from the pile. And then we added this seed mix together with the mycorrhizal mix that I got from the shop. And now we're going to cover it with straw and then we will water it in. So that's basically the process. All the important trees, the big trees here, they have these tubes that go down to their roots. And then there's more resilient trees like this elderberry. It's going to basically be a support species for this food forest, just like the acacia. It grows really fast and it stands cutting back, so we'll use it like a biomass tree. Yeah, so generally very happy, and I will speak to you soon. Ciao, ciao.